The Story of Re by Michael Strickland. In the beginning, before there was anything in the land of Egypt, there was darkness. And there was nothing but a waste of water called Nun. Until one day a great shining egg came out of the water of the darkness, and it was Re. And he could change into any form, and he was very powerful and could create anything just by speaking it. Re one day said, "I am Kapara at the dawn, Re at noon, and Tem in the evening." And after he said that, the sun rose, went across the sky, and set for the first time. Then Re named Shu, god of wind, and wind blew for the first time. He named Tefnut, the spitter, and the first rain fell. He named Jeb, and the earth appeared. Re named mankind, and men and women, and there were men and women in the land of Egypt. Then he took the shape of a man and became the first pharaoh ruling over the land of Egypt. And he was a wonderful pharaoh, leading the Egyptians through multiple harvests, great harvests. But since he was a former man, he became old and weak. And in time, men no longer feared him. Men no longer felt the need to obey him just because they were stronger than him and he was weak. So Re sent his daughter Sekhmet, and Sekhmet slaughtered them. And then Re started to feel pity for the men, because everybody was being slaughtered by Sekhmet, because Sekhmet took pleasure in the bloodshed. So he had to trick her into stopping, because Sekhmet had such, and she got such pleasure out of drinking, out of bloodshed. Sekhmet got a lot of poison, and he dyed it red with food color. He dyed it red, and convinced her to drink it, and told her it was blood, and she fell for it because she was very, very bloodthirsty. And then that was the first person Re has ever killed, and it was his own daughter. And so then after he saved the entire mankind, he continued to rule. He continued to be the pharaoh of Egypt. But he was very old. But as long as nobody discovered who he really was, he would continue to rule. And that is what held his power, was his secret name. And that's how the earth came to be.